Hello my lovelies, I am back again with Ali Pearl hair. So this is their 26-inch body wave with a 6x6 HG closure, and this is what you get in the box. You got this lovely satin what do you call this, like a headband, you get the wig, you get, you know, the bag, just a whole lot. But can I just say, look at the curls that comes with the wig. As you can see, I was so excited. It's so pretty, and like I said, it's a 6x6 closure, and it comes with these bands. Just look at the pre-plucked hairline, the pre-plucked, you know, just it's just amazing. And also it comes bleach knots as well. This is probably the best closure wig I've actually had to try out, because just look, all I had to do was just cut around the lace with my zigzag scissors, and there we have her. Like, it was just so easy. I'm going to go in with my spray, and what this does is help melt the lace in a bit more. And also you see that kind of white marking around, it kind of just helps it take away basically from that. So as you can see, it will melt in nicely. But yeah, I wanted to send this wig off to be dyed jet black. But by the way, sorry, just look at that curl pattern. Just look at that curl pattern. This is a wig that you literally could just take it out and the curls are ready for you. It literally is just a ready-made wig on everything, because I didn't even have to curl this hair. But yeah, I just like to, you know, I was going to dye it a jet black, but I don't know, I didn't want to take the curls away. I wanted to show you how the wig looks just outside of the box, and this wig did not disappoint. Ali Pearl hair, I purchased their bundles years ago, and let me tell you, it's one of the best vendors that I've used. Absolutely love them. So I'm using the band that comes with you know, the Ali Pearl hair and stuff like that. It comes in the box, and I'm just using that just to lay her flat. I like how you can wear this as like a glueless wig. Like, I didn't need that lace. I didn't need too much of that spray, so I took her off straight away after, you know, going out and stuff like that. But what I'm going to do now is just going to try and basically show you how I make the hair a bit flatter. So what Daydream taught me, which is, you know, the Daydream is the hairdresser sometimes I go to, most of the times when I get my hair slayed per. But yeah, you literally just have to basically go section by section and go in and use a, you know, a wax stick or anything that can lay the hair down, and then go in with your hot comb, and you do it section by section, and it just lays the hair so flat, especially when you have like straight hair. And you know, sometimes it can come with very, like, you know, it can come a bit of thickness on there, like you're wearing a helmet basically. But yeah, that's what I do, that's my method, and I absolutely love her. But more about the hair is absolutely stunning. She's giving everything. Like, she did not disappoint. Like I said, I did not have to curl her up too much. I literally just curled up just a few bits after, and as you can see, she's laying so much flatter before. But you can do this on or off your head, but honestly, it just makes a huge difference when you do it like that. It does take longer, but come on guys, you know, you need to put effort in these wigs because you know me, I really don't like putting effort in wigs. But this is like an effortless wig. Just look at her. Like, she is stunning. I'm looking back at this video like, wow. And can you see that kind of melt while you needed that lace? And all you do is just go in with some concealer on the parts that are still, you know, showing, and then bob's your uncle, literally. But I've got no complaints with her. She's absolutely stunning. She gave everything. You honestly didn't even have to curl her up after. I did go in and cut some frame some layers at the, you know, at the end, but you know, that's literally it. But Ali Pearl is literally one of the favorite vendors that I will go to. I'm actually going to go in and purchase another one of these wigs just to make it my everyday wig. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. All the information will be below. Thank you so much, Ali Pearl, for this gorgeous wig. Just look how nice the parting is. Just look at her. Absolutely cannot complain. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.